Hi, Miele Heat pump trial. How to do the temperature setting, the high level, low level. You can step 1, 2, 3 step the heat pump trial level. I show you how to do this. Very fast, do a job. Sometimes first time fail it, sometimes again I do again. So that I show you and power off, open the door and turn on clockwise. And the light is coming on, hold it to the start button and flashing light. I show you how to do that. Turn on, light is coming up, hold it, close the door, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and hold it. Now, I try again. It's a very difficult job, not easy. Now, it's again. One, two, three, four, 5. Now, again, it's not easy job. One, two, three, four, 5. No, very fast. One, two, three, four, 5. Yes. Now, sorry, right? Hold it button and the flashing stop and the start button. And the P00, you can change P1 and look the 04. You can put the 06. This is a high level temperature setting and the push dash button and 2 P2 you start taking. You can put the 5. It's good. And turn off the power. Done. This is the job.